Hello, yes. Let me know, guys, in the comment section if you can hear me. Are we live? I think we're live. Let's go. Yes. Hang on a second, guys. Let me just go through the comment section here quickly. I should be live right now. Just waiting for a quick confirmation. And yes, we're live. Okay. Hello guys, how are you doing? Brunex, hello Andy, how are you doing Brunex? Sebastian, hey Andy, if you have the time to look at GRT today, it would be nice. Yes, of course, let's take a look at GRT. I'm going to take a look at the altcoins, guys, straight away. Now, yesterday on one of my videos, the only video that I made yesterday, we talked about, this is the total crypto market capitalization. I didn't see many people talk about this, okay, the last few days. All right, yes, it is pretty clear that the total crypto market cap has done this huge cup and handle, right? We do have a target around about that $3.6 trillion. So overall, the direction is going there. Could we see volatility to the downside? Yes, of course, but the overall trend is going to be in the next coming months hitting that $3.6 trillion range, okay? And it could be much higher than that, okay? But overall, we got that target. Now, before yesterday, the last few days, I was talking about this on the 4 hourly, this inverse head and shoulder pattern right over here. We did get a beautiful bounce yesterday. Now we are currently testing the highs. Now, the question is, are we going to create a double top right over here and continue to the downside? Or are we going to continue to the upside? Well, like I mentioned yesterday, this has a higher chance to continue to the upside. We have this inverse head and shoulder. We are bouncing very nicely as support. Now we are retesting the highs. If we break these highs, very likely that we are going to continue to the upside here on the total crypto market cap. We do have this target, which is the 2.87 trillion approximately. We're currently at 2.74. So there should be another $100 billion right coming into the market in the next coming days. That should be, that's why the altcoins and Bitcoin should be looking pretty good. Now, right, let's take a look at GRT straight away, and I'll go and say hello in the comment section. All right, say hello to the community. Make sure to smash up the like button on your way in, okay? And yeah, guys, let's just check out GRT right over here. GRT is only struggling to get above this major resistance that we have. We are in a pretty nice uptrend here on GRT. Let me just zoom here on the chart. GRT here on the 4 hourly. We almost broken out from this uptrend. We haven't really, okay, of these higher lows. Still creating higher lows pretty nicely. Even though we saw this volatility over here, we're still creating higher lows right there, right? So nice high lows. So we did create this top over there, but it does look like we might be continuing to the upside. No signs yet that we are going to change the trend in the immediate short term. Now, if we do break successfully this trend, closing a big 4 hourly close, then yes, we could have a kind of a dead cat bounce and continue to the downside. But overall, GRT is looking pretty good. We did have a couple of fake outs here already on GRT. Now, if we successfully break, okay, this resistance area, it is very likely we are going to continue to the upside. GRT hasn't been one of my favorites to do analysis. Quite volatile also, but overall, the trend is looking very bullish here in the immediate short term. As I showed you here on GRT, we are creating these lovely higher lows right since the summer. Higher lows, descending wedge. Now that would have been a great buying opportunity just right over there at the end of the wedge, starting to create these higher lows, right? You did create a higher low right there. That would have been a great buying opportunity right there to target the top of the wedge. Very bullish. I do see us, continuing to the upside. No measured move really from any pattern that I see here. Could you say it's an ascending triangle? Yes, you could. But yeah, overall, I think we are going to start tackling this $1.30 major support. That would be very strong resistance. As soon as we start breaking this major resistance, that's the strongest resistance we've got above us on GRT, it is going to be blue skies to hit the all-time high on GRT, which could happen in the next coming weeks. I know it is a very good project, and guys, the total crypto market cap is looking very good. As you can see here on the chart, we have, very, very powerful targets on the total crypto market cap. The sentiment is pretty bullish. It is a little bit greedy. Expect some shakeouts, okay? Those shakeouts that happen in between now and the end of the year are going to be good buying opportunities, right? When there's going to be those 5, 10, 15% drops, this is when you want to step in, okay? When people suddenly thinking, okay, what is going on, right? Why is the market going down? Now, here for Bitcoin, we were analyzing, I'll go through the comments right now, but yesterday we did talk about the price of BTC being in this kind of symmetrical triangle. No, this is already on the macro. You could check out the daily also, but this is on the 4 hourly, creating these lower highs, right, on Bitcoin. Nice higher lows right over there. Okay, we just barely wicked it. We could even come as low as 59.5 or 59k, like I mentioned yesterday on yesterday's video, and we could still be inside of this kind of consolidation. Now, remember, that the $59,000 range, and this is plus minus a couple of thousand because of the volatility. All right, we could see, we almost hit 57 right there. This is volatility. This could happen. A nice wicks to the downside before we continue to the upside. The shakeouts. Now, as you know, that the consolidations here from the symmetrical triangles coming from a massive strong uptrend is usually an indication that we are going to continue the trend to the upside. The likelihood that we are going to break the resistance is higher than breaking support. Okay, this is just looking at the probability side of the technical analysis. What we do know is that $59,000 is a huge wall of support because of the VPVR, and we did have a very long consolidation right over here. This was all the way from the 30th of April up to the 12th of May approximately. So that's over 12 days touching resistance, and this was that 60 to 59k level, touching. So it is a major level. Now, as soon as you break it, obviously, this is going to be a very, very strong support. And this is what has been indicating for the last few weeks. VPVR is one of my strongest, indicators for support and resistance. One of the only ones that I take a look at, apart from price history like the here, right? This was a strong resistance, so it should be holding very nicely as support. So if you ask me, I think there's a higher chance that we do break resistance and continue to hit all-time high and continue to the upside. As I said, you can expect volatility hitting 59, 58. If we do break this level and come down to $54,000, I mean, the longer we are at this consolidation, I think that it is more unlikely that we are going to come lower. Because when you consolidate like this from an uptrend, like I explained you, making a consolidation like this is just a reaccumulation, just getting ready to continue to the upside. Like I said, when I want to see 20% drops, 25% drops, I want to see them at the very, very top of a trend, not when you consolidate sideways. Because, just like I showed you right over here, when you see those drops is when you less expect them, right? Because when you continue to the upside, I was expecting this drop actually back in September, but most other people were not expecting a drop like this. Now, this was at the very, very top, okay, almost hitting that $53,000. Then you have that 20% correction. You don't consolidate sideways and create a kind of descending wedge and then you drop, okay? This is what usually happens. Yes, it could happen, but it doesn't usually happen if we're looking at the probability side. So this is, overall, this is looking pretty bullish. Everything is indicating me that there is a higher chance of us breaking resistance in the next few days than actually breaking support successfully and hitting that $54,000. That is my point of view, guys. Let me know in the comment section if you see anything. I know there's, pretty good bearish, hidden bullish divergence, on the 4 hourly that was created right over here. RSI creating lower lows, price action creating higher lows. Let me know in the comment section if you do see something different here on the BTC price. Is there any bad news? Is there anything that you see on the charts? Let me know in the comment section, guys. I will be happy enough to check out your opinion. And now I'm going to go through the comment section straight away. Right, I got a super chat here from Danny Ellis. Thank you very much for the super chat for the $2.99. How Matic looks, please, Andy. Let's take a look at Matic Network. And also, I'm going to take, guys, Matic, how much, what can Matic do? Can it do a 10x? Can it do a 20x? I know we are here for the tech also. I'm also here for the tech. This is why I do not buy any meme coins and all of this, because I'm really here for the tech, right? I'm also here to make money, obviously, but I invest in things that I know that are going to be here in the next few years, that I know they're going to have utility. Do I know Shiba is going to have utility in the next few years? No, I don't. That's why this is pure speculation. The people that want to buy Shiba and meme coins, I did get Saitama just because I thought I need to get a hand on some meme coin, because it's ridiculous in the world that we live in right now. That you just a bunch of people buying loads of meme coins. So why not? Why not? Because this could make you a lot of money. So maybe 1% in your portfolio, put that in a meme coin. Who knows? You might 10x your money in the next few months. Right. This is Matic Network. Matic Network did have a very nice run up in the last few days. Okay, we might be. We tried to break this range. It doesn't look like it's very, very strong resistance. This was the $2. I thought the $2 was going to be a nice round psychological number. I did see some resistance right over there, but it looks like we just, we went up, we went back up again. And it seems like it's not a major level. So I think I'm going to get this level. When I see a level that's been pierced a couple of times that I think it's going to be a decent resistance, then I just delete it. Okay, then I just don't use it because it's been pierced a few times. Now what can we see over here? I saw this on the 4 hourly. We can actually zoom out on the 1 hourly, and this could easily probably be a fake out. Okay, this is a symmetrical triangle. Let me go to the 2 hours. Symmetrical triangle right over here. There's not exactly a double top on Matic Network because you have a lower high right over there. We didn't successfully retest the high here, which is just at about the $2.20, and you are creating higher lows right over there. Higher lows, and this is only in a matter of about 8-9 days, which is already fine for a consolidation. I do believe so that this is a fake out right here at this support level from these higher lows. Is there any volume? Not too much volume here, so I would think that this is a fake out. We haven't gone successfully below the last here higher low right over there. So breaking this higher low right there, then obviously you would see that this is a successful breakout. We'll be attempting to retest the $1.70. Now if we get back in the triangle, this is going to be extremely bullish news, a bullish chart, sorry. So if we I wouldn't, this could easily be a fake out here from this symmetrical triangle on Matic Network. I believe so that we might be coming back in the triangle. If we do come back in, it will be looking very bullish. Remember, symmetrical triangles coming from an uptrend is usually bullish. Not too much volume, not too much selling pressure. I think Matic will be doing absolutely fine. Now, if we do break resistance successfully from these lower highs, and this is something that we need to take a look on Matic, as soon as you break this lower high, major resistance with pretty nice volume, pretty nice intention, then you got to get ready, because very likely we're going to have this kind of projection in the next few days if we do manage to climb up to this resistance, and this could break the $2.35 $2.40 range. Okay, that would be the projected move from this symmetrical triangle. Everything's indicating here, in my opinion, that this could easily be a fake out. This is something we'll analyze here on Matic in the next coming days. Thank you for this. I'm just going to go through the super chats, guys. Getting a couple of super chats. First of all, make sure to smash up the like button. I do this totally for free. I try and connect with the community. So make sure to scroll down, smash up the like button. We'll do this together. Scroll down on the video. 330 watching at this moment. 76 likes. Let's try and get this live stream to 200 likes altogether, guys. Very much appreciated. Let me go through the super chat straight away. W. Dreyer, thank you very much for the €15. Very much appreciated. Hi, could you look at Uno, Re, and Kiba Inu, please? You rock. Thank you very much for the €15. Right, let's take a look at these two. At Uno, what is Uno? Let's take a look at Uno, because I have no idea what is Uno. Uno, is it? Ray. Okay, okay. This one right over here. I have no idea what this project is, but we can take a look at the charts on TradingView straight away if we have seen this one. Yeah, it's on KuCoin, so we should have some kind of data. Ray, yeah, this one right over here. We'll take a look at the charts, and just by looking at this chart, it is we did some analysis on Ray just when it kind of launched on KuCoin. We're taking a look at this kind of symmetrical triangle, descending triangle that finally broke the support right over here and didn't manage to get back up successfully. So anyway, we did some just took a look at that pattern. Taking a look at this over here on Ray, it is looking pretty good. Let me check out the volume. Take a look at volume. This is the 2 hourly. Let's go to the 4 hourly. Zoom in here on Ray, and it does look like that we might be continuing to the upside, having a nice uptrend from here. I mean, what volume have we got here? I think it's a very, very low market cap. There's only 4 million in volume. 24-hour volume. Yeah, we can't see the total crypto market cap here, but probably not too much volume. It's just having a steady growth at this moment. Just having a steady growth. Not looking too bad. Nothing too much to analyze here. Just having a consolidation. We might be continuing to the upside. These low cap coins, we haven't got too much data here. Overall, are we taking a look at the project? Why not? I'm going to save this. I'll have a look at it, and I'll give you my opinion. If you ask me also in the Telegram, I'm going to take a look at the project. Thank you very much for the 15 euro. And I'm going to take a look at Shiba Inu. This one we can do some technical analysis. Probably it has been here for quite some time already. Shiba Inu. I guess this is it's a meme coin. I have no idea what kind of community it has, what utility they have. Shiba Inu. Let's take a look at this one on the chart straight away. Shiba Inu. Right, we have some data here. Oh, okay. Oh no, this is Shiba Inu, sorry. Shiba Inu. It seems like we do not have any data here on TradingView, only against wrapped Ethereum, and against wrapped Ethereum, obviously Ethereum is pumping, so it's having a little bit of a correction, this one. I cannot take a look at the chart here, sorry about that, Dreya, but I guess it's a meme coin, all depending on the community. It's in a pretty large correction right now. I have no idea how large the community is. You can just join the Telegram, and I can't do any technical analysis on this because we don't have any data on TradingView. So yeah, sorry about that. It's just in a very, very large correction right now. So if you are bullish on this one, maybe this is one of the times that you need to start buying this crypto. But yeah, not financial advice. Obviously, this is a meme coin, all depending on the community, the kind of utility that the token has. Thank you very much for the super chat. We don't have any data. We cannot take a look at this crypto on TradingView. Thanks, man. Very much appreciated. Brian Hincapie. Hi, Andy. ¿Cómo estás? Can you check XVG Verge again? Yes, of course. Let's take a look at Verge. It's ticker symbol XVG. Verge here straight away. Let's take a look at this one. The 4-hourly chart. I think this one's looking pretty good. The reason why this one's looking good, I think we might be creating a triple bottom here on this one. This one's an OG back here. Check out this hype that happened. Wow, absolutely insane in December. Going from 0.005 to almost 30 cents. This one went absolutely insane. Verge. This one went absolutely crazy. So anyway, zooming in here for this one, just to keep it simple, looking at this chart, okay, it does look like that we are having a very nice support, very nice bounce here at this 0.016 cent level. Okay, we've got nice support there, nice supported there again and again. We are just currently bouncing at this level. Now there's a major resistance here that we cannot get above, okay, just by looking at this chart, which is the 0.036 cent. So I think by looking at this chart, after seeing this market cycle right over there, this pump, this dump, sideways action, what happens usually when you see the charts like this? They usually, you know, find a bottom and then continue to the upside. So this is very much what it looks like here on this one. We've got one bottom there, one bottom here. We are already starting to bounce right over here. I think it's unlikely that we are going to see this come down again and break the support. It's very, very likely we're going to slowly, consistently here climb to this 0.037 cent range, where we should be breaking, okay, and this is would be forming a triple bottom. So overall, not looking too bad. I think this one has bottomed out here at the 0.016 cent level, and this is something that you need to pay attention. If you do break, you could anticipate a trade. You could buy here for this potential projected move in the next few weeks, going to the 0.056, which would be the measured move from this consolidation, right? This triple bottom consolidation. So that's what I got for Verge. Thank you very much for the super chat. Very much appreciated. Hello everyone. Thank you for joining the stream. No pump for Matic. Well, Matic has been pumping pretty good already for the last few weeks, Danny. So don't worry, it'll be doing just fine. Hey Joseph, hi Infogram, hello moderators, how are you doing? Glad to see you here in the comment section. I'm just gonna go have a quick roll down the comment section, check out here some altcoins here from the people. Let's take a look at Polkadot. How is Polkadot doing? Let's take a look at Polkadot straight away. Polkadot is just doing absolutely excellent. What did we take a look here on Polkadot is, you know, the major support, the major all-time high, right? We had the all-time high just below $50 that we created back here in May. And, you know, I've been talking on my streams, we have broken a major level. And also we have, you know, any retracement to that level is going to be a great buying opportunity. Taking a look at the Fibonacci from the low to the highs, from the pump that we've had from the 31st of October, you can check out the volume right over here is absolutely crazy. And this doesn't matter calculated on TradingView or on Coinbase. It doesn't matter. The volume is huge from the pump that we had to that all-time high level. Now, what could happen? What could happen right now? Like I mentioned, I think we might be consolidating above the all-time high, just getting ready. Just a reaccumulation around in between that $46 and $48, which would be the 50%, 62% Fibonacci retracement from this pump. Just a nice consolidation maybe from this range before we continue to the upside. Very, very likely. We've broken all-time highs. There's volume here from this breakout. So, you know, everything's indicating consolidating at $48 range before we continue to the upside. Now maybe this was the bounce and we are going to break the highs. Maybe we might come back down, have a little bit of volatility consolidation and continue to the upside. Overall, we could be forming a kind of a pennant here or a symmetrical triangle, okay, for Polkadot, and then continue to the upside. Very bullish on Polkadot. Remember guys, Polkadot is going live right now. A lot of attention on Polkadot, so expect Polkadot to absolutely fly. Let's take a look at Avalanche, guys, because I haven't taken a look at Avalanche. I just saw on my phone this morning that Avalanche was at $82 or $81. So let me just take a look at Avalanche because I'm extremely bullish on this one. And yeah, guys, I mean, we've been talking about this for quite a few days right now. The Avalanche price, we saw two bullish patterns here on Avalanche. this was this kind of symmetrical triangle right over there. Okay, you only need 2 touches on resistance and support, and I'll go through that super chat straight away. Last, thank you very much. And Avalanche was absolutely exploding every time, you know, since we were just about to break out. I did place my longs. Okay, I was anticipating that to get this massive bounce from these higher lows right over there, and I was in a trade, and it's absolutely exploding at this moment. Not planning to close anytime soon. We might see a little bit of volatility before it continues to the upside, but overall here on Avalanche, also zooming in, keeping it simple, we have a resistance point at $671, $72, as you can see here on the chart. Okay, we have an inverse head and shoulder. Okay, you need to try and detect these patterns. So we do have 2 projected moves from this symmetrical triangle and also from this inverse head and shoulder right over there. We've got one which should be around about that $92. I do see us consolidating and then continue to the upside. Then we have this one from this symmetrical triangle from the breakout. So $92 overall first target. This is when I'm going to take quite a lot of my profits. Okay, I do see this playing out, this inverse head and shoulder broke out. Check out how we bounced beautifully at the resistance, turning it into support. You know, it can't get any better than this, guys. Classical, simple, technical analysis, not too much noise, not too much indicators, keeping it super simple. We've got a beautiful bounce from this range, from the neckline, and continuing to the upside. Could we come back down and retest? Yes, of course we can, but I don't see us falling, okay, at the resistance from these lower highs. I don't see us coming lower from this range. We should be getting very, very strongly supported here from these lower highs and not coming down to that $64, $62 dollar range here for AVAX. I think $70 range should be holding very, very nicely as support if we do come back down to those levels. Now, capitulation, can there be bad news? Can there be FUD? We know that can always happen in cryptocurrency. So just be careful. Don't risk too much. Don't leverage too much. Okay, because those drops can happen. All right, those drops, major drops, can happen. And if you are using too much leverage, they can just absolutely liquidate you. So stay cautious, guys. I don't use too much leverage on my trades. I have very low leverage here on my trades, as you can see. Maybe a 7x, maybe a 5x, maybe a 4x. I got my trades, all of them open here of Avalanche, Ethereum, BTC, Theta. I got a few trades open here, guys. Remember, if you're interested in trading, you get the best bonus down below. It's $3,500 worth of bonus. And they're adding every single week or every couple of weeks. Last week they did add a bunch of cryptos here on Bybit. So make sure to check it out. I get a small bonus. You get a bonus also, so it's a win-win if you want to support the channel. And if you want to day trade, Prime XBT is my favorite one. You get 50% added to your deposit, and you got 50 assets, more than 50 assets to trade with. Forex, oil, gold. There's a bunch of cryptos here, and you get 50% to add to your margin to trade with, which is absolutely great. Both tutorials down below in the description. Now, let me take a look at the super chat. Thank you very much, Lars Thomas, for the super chat. Very much appreciated. Let's take a look at MOVR, which is, I can't remember this one right now. Oh yeah, Moon River. Okay, Moon River. Yeah, absolutely. This is a very, very good bullish project. It's on Kusama, isn't it? Yeah, Parachain on Kusama contract. So this one's very, very bullish. Let me take a look here at the chart on this one right away. Thank you very much for the super chat, by the way. I see this one doing very, very well. This one's going to do very, very well in the next coming months. So what is going on right now on the chart? What can I see here on the chart? Well, what I can see is that we did have a very nice correction, okay, from this massive pump. We can take a look at the volume here on Kraken. What are the exchanges here? KuCoin, Tether. Yeah, we can just go on Kraken. Should be all right. Now, what can I see right over here is that we did have, this massive correction right there. Obviously, after this huge massive pump that we've had from this consolidation. So easiest way when you see a pump like this, don't FOMO in the small consolidation potentially, especially if you start breaking the lows and continue to the downside. Best thing you can get is the Fibonacci retracement, and that 62% level is always, not always, but usually a great buying zone. So buying zone there, you dip below, you can add to your position because overall the interest is there in this cryptocurrency. Now, what do I see happening right now on this one is retesting the highs. Okay, it seems like we've bottomed out there. We've created this bottom, higher low right over there. So, all-time high, that looks imminent by the looks like of this chart. Okay, we're starting to pump right now. Could we come a little bit lower? Yes, but overall, we have printed already on the 4-hourly a higher low, just keeping it super simple, no indicators whatsoever, keeping it simple, guys. The trend is, we have bottomed out from this correction. What is our target? Our target is to meet the all-time high. Now, the question is, are we going to create a double top? Or are we going to break it? This is all depending on how much interest is going to be. But if we do break the high, I do see this peak over here, being a very, very strong resistance, especially if we do consolidate here, don't manage to break it on the first attempt and then break it. That's going to be an insane support. This would be a great buy zone if you do come back down to retest that level. You could arguably discuss, and I'm just gonna, speculate. There's a little bit of volatility here on Moon River, but I'm just taking a look at these higher highs, okay? And there is a possibility that it is a kind of a inverse head and shoulder with an ascending neckline, okay? Right over there. And this is a little bit of speculation. It is. You do see, I like them flat usually, the necklines, but you do see ascending necklines or descending necklines on inverse head and shoulders. Now, if we do come back up here and start tackling this resistance and breaking it for Moon River, you could arguably discuss that we are going to have a pretty decent pump and we'll be smashing all-time highs, because sometimes when you break all-time highs, you either consolidate at the all-time highs, you have a little bit of a failing attempt coming back down, and then you smash it, or you can smash it here on the first attempt and go parabolic. So, you could arguably discuss that we do have this inverse head and shoulder for a potential projected move of this breakout of the neckline, okay? And, all depending on when this is going to happen, you could arguably discuss that you could see Moon River trading at just below $650 in the next coming weeks at some point, just by looking at this chart, all right? So this is something I'm going to leave like this. We'll be taking a look at Moon River, but overall looking very bullish. The correction has already happened. There's nothing bearish about this. We've already starting to print higher lows. It is time to tackle all-time high and continue to the upside. Correction has finished for this crypto. Thank you very much for the super chat. I'm just going to go scrolling down. VeChain, let's take a look at VeChain straight away. Thank you, Joseph, for the insane support. And Mana, please. Let's take a look at VeChain and Mana. Also, I can see BNB down there. Right, VeChain. Okay, VeChain. I see the breakout here from this range hasn't been insane, okay? It hasn't been insane. This is not, in my opinion, a successful breakout. What could happen right over here for VeChain is that we might consolidate. Okay, we could dip below that 15-cent level, hitting 14 cent. Okay, it is a possibility. Consolidating at this major resistance. Why is this a major resistance? Because, we have been tackling it as support several times here in the past, as you can see. Also, it has been a major resistance and a major resistance right over here. Now, this is not a successful breakout. I want to see a nice 4-hourly candle. I want to see some good direction hitting 17, 18 cents. Then you can say, guys, all right, any type of correction here is going to be very, very bullish to continue to the upside. Now, we could dip down below easily the 15-cent level, hitting 14 cents, consolidating here before we have that impulsive move. Now that is going to be very bullish for VeChain, because when you consolidate at a major resistance, you know, breaking it, if you don't fall back down, if it's a fake out, usually you come back down straight away the next day or the next few hours, you come straight back down, right? But when you break it and you consolidate below, above, and below, above, this is just getting ready, okay? You're just getting power to continue to the upside. This is what usually happens when you consolidate at a resistance, because if it's a fake out, you come straight back down and the volatility is crazy to the downside if it's a fake out. But this is just getting ready for a major breakout, in my opinion. We do have a projected move from this ascending triangle here on VeChain. Resistance, just breaking resistance. Be careful, this is not a clear breakout. You could see some volatility before we continue to the upside. Now we've got higher lows, so overall we've got this ascending triangle. This is the projected move from the breakout, so expect, you know, VeChain trading at around about 25 cents in the next few weeks. Okay, when, I don't know, but 1 week, maybe 4 weeks, we do not know. But we do have projection move, we do have, you know, higher lows. It is pretty clear that VeChain is getting power, that this is not going to be the scenario. The likely scenario is that this is going to happen, you know, that we are going to continue this massive uptrend that we have been creating here for the last I mean, this is a really curious chart. Now look, I mean, I'm just zoomed out right now. We did have a little bit of a fake out. Let me just go here on the weekly on VeChain, okay, and try and ignore all of these lines. But we do have a pretty nice uptrend here on VeChain, as you can see on the chart. Looking very nice. Now hitting resistance, hitting support. Very nice uptrend here for VeChain, as you can see. We just barely went around this support range. It looks like that we're just getting ready, guys. I mean, I see some people that think we are going to hit $1 this cycle. I don't think it is possible, just because, all depending on you know, I know VeChain has a lot of good news coming out, but you know, the overall project is for the supply chain, and the supply chain is not over $100 billion worldwide. But for the tracking, I mean, now if VeChain went above $100 billion, that means it's higher than the supply tracking industry. I don't see, I'm not sure if this is possible, but I do see VeChain hitting 50-75 cents, you know, as a hype in this cycle, and that I would be taking profits at around about that range already. I'm not going to sell all of my VeChain, but I will be selling maybe 20%, 40% while we're hitting that 50-75 cent level. Now, could we hit $1? Could we hit $2? Yes, but you need a huge amount of capital for VeChain to hit those levels, and if it hits those levels, it's going to be fast. Okay, the hype will be fast. $1, $1.50, and then, you know, next day you might be back at 90 cents, and you're already entering that bear market situation potentially. That is my opinion, guys, and nothing. I mean, this is what I think is probably going to happen on VeChain. Hello there. What about AVAX? Talked about AVAX before. I'm going to take a look at BNB, but yeah, at the beginning, super bullish on AVAX. I mean, if you were following me for the last few weeks, you know AVAX has got a moonshot right over here. Okay, hitting that $90 and then potentially $110 range in the next coming weeks. If you are an old subscriber on AVAX, I mean, this is what we got for AVAX. We've been talking about AVAX already inside of this kind of symmetrical triangle. We also detected an inverse head and shoulder right over there, broke out beautifully, bounced as support, continues to the upside. I'm in a trade here on AVAX since $65. Still open. I might be taking some profits soon. Okay, entry at $65 here on AVAX. Been talking about AVAX here, over 100% already in profit, over $1,800 USDT in profit, as you can see here on AVAX. Remember, guys, for Bybit, you get the best bonus down below, $3,500 worth of bonus if you log in with my link. Now, AVAX super bullish. I see AVAX trading at $90 in days potentially right now. We were talking about this, before yesterday when we were having this correction. Bounced beautifully at this support range, guys. If you watched, I talked about AVAX on yesterday's video actually already, breaking the resistance here from this inverse head and shoulder. You've been watching my videos. We've been absolutely nailing this one. Okay, so AVAX looking bullish. Let's take a look at BNB because I haven't done any analysis on BNB for a long time. It's going absolutely parabolic at this moment, just about to smash the all-time highs. I think we did talk about BNB. This potentially being a cup and handle. It's not really. Okay, this is just using a little bit of my imagination. But descending wedge right over there. It was already looking bullish here on. Last time I did analysis on BNB must have been there, and also this neckline over here that I got extended. Now, this neckline from a potential cup and handle is not the most beautiful, but it is a very bullish setup right over here, and I'll explain why. We've got a huge consolidation right over there, which is at the $520 range. As you can see here on the chart, we've got a nice consolidation at this range. This is why I do have this green box, and this is where we got massively resistance. Now, got a resistance right there. This was already the third attempt where we should have been broken. We broke out the fourth attempt there. Now, what is the projected move here from this cup and handle? Because I like to see cup and handles from the top, right? Not from the middle part here, but we got a consolidation just there. So, you could arguably discuss that this is a cup and handle. And you do have a projected move. You do have a projected move when you start creating higher lows, this kind of pattern over here, and this is why we are going parabolic right here, right? So it's definitely smashing all-time highs very, very soon. This is the projected move approximately. So we should be smashing all-time highs and going to that $750 range. That is a projected move when you have this kind of consolidation and these higher lows, breaking a major resistance. You break it, you go parabolic. This is what's happening right now. And also the reason why we're going parabolic to the highs, to retest the all-time highs, is because there hasn't been too much volume traded at this pump and dump, right? You don't have too much resistance. You don't have stops like you have here, like you have there. This is why you have them afterwards. You have stops where you've been trading before. And here you can basically see that there's just been a lot of volatility, pump and dump, not too much consolidations, right? The only consolidation is all the way up here where you have this movement on BNB where you have the all-time high, right? So this is why it hasn't been too hard to pump the price all the way back up to all-time high since the $520 breakout. I see BNB breaking all-time highs very, very soon. We might consolidate. We have a little bit of rejection. It might look like a double top, and then suddenly you're going to have that breakout, okay? That's my view here on BNB. Now, let me take a look at some other altcoins. Solana. Let's take a look at Solana. Make sure to smash up 486 watching at this moment. Absolutely great, guys. Make sure to smash up the like button. Joseph, thank you very much for the support. I got my moderator here giving me insane support. Let's take a look at Solana because we'll also take a look at Phantom, one of the favorites. Blockchain projects, guys. Blockchain projects are absolutely booming. Now, on Solana, what can we expect on Solana? I think Solana was just going to go crazy. I also saw on Solana this ascending triangle. Okay, we've got a resistance, we've got ascending higher lows, right? This ascending trend from the support level. Now, usually ascending triangles break at 60% or 70 or even 90% of the actual pattern. You don't break at 50% of the pattern usually, but it is pretty clear that the overall pattern here from these higher lows is an ascending triangle, because you have two stops here at the resistance range at the all-time highs and you are having higher lows here on the 4 hourly. So it doesn't matter if you break at 50% of the pattern or you break at 70 or 80. It doesn't matter. Now you do have a projected move from this pattern, which is the back here from the resistance. Now it might take a couple of weeks till we reach about $300, but I do see Solana hitting $300 in the next coming weeks. We have that projected move. A lot of people thinking that this was a double top right over there. I was saying, no guys, this does not look like a double top. Also, I saw somebody in the comment section saying, Solana is creating a head and shoulder right over here also, right? And for me, it was more of a descending wedge, also because of the volume. Volume is very important, and the overall trend in the immediate short term is super important, even though you might be forming a bearish pattern, right? This looks a little bit bearish. But overall, if you take a look at you are testing lower lows right over there. So that is also something alarming, okay? You have a test, you have a fake out from the last higher low. So this is something alarming already. You have these lower highs over here, and you do see a kind of consolidation coming from a massive uptrend with pretty high volume. The volume on the consolidation, you do see some spikes, okay, that is fine, but the overall volume is very, very low, and it's going even lower. The lower it goes, the more, the higher chance you are going to have that breakout to the direction that the trend is, and the direction here is to the upside, right, with this volume. So this is a bullish consolidation, even though it does look pretty bearish. Now we did have that scenario. If we did successfully break out the support level, we could come to much lower levels here on Solana, but we finally broke here the resistance, and continue to the upside. So overall target for Solana, any type of consolidation above this all-time high that we created of $215 is a major buy zone, guys. Expect, okay, because there's a little bit too much bullishness out there now. Expect some volatility to the downside. Expect that shakeout, that 10%, 20% correction on altcoins, Bitcoin, and rest of the cryptos in the coming days. But talking about Solana, Fibonacci retracement, where does the pump start? Pump starts right over here. The pump starts right over here. Why does it start here? Because here's where you consolidate. Here's where you have the leg up. So Fibonacci retracement, keeping it simple, easy, from the low here of the pump to the high. Great buying zones here on Solana, in my opinion, in between the $230 and the $215 is going to be a major buy zone from this major pump. Are we going to come down maybe not. Maybe you're just going to consolidate sideways and continue to the upside. But if you do come down to these levels, it is a good buy zone. It is a moment where you could get a massive bounce and continue to the upside and retest the highs, where you should be exiting a lot of your positions and protecting your entry, because overall we do have a $300 target from this ascending triangle right here on Solana. So overall direction to the Solana looking very bullish to the upside. Any retracement around this range, great buy zone, because it's very, very likely we are going to get a major bounce from this area. Okay, this is what I got for Solana. Let's take a look at some other cryptos here. What about Sand and Radium? Let's take a look at them straight away. Have you looked at Cadena yet? So crazy, I know. Cadena's doing it's doing really good. Let's take a look at it. Let's take a look at it on the chart. It's going pretty parabolic, I think. Yeah. Cadena doing crazy. I did not buy any of this crypto. I didn't own any of this cryptocurrency since August. From 60 cents all the way to almost $20. This has done over a 30x. Absolutely insane in a matter of 60-90 days. Absolutely, about 3 months approximately. Absolutely parabolic. I mean, there's nothing to chart about this. I would say be careful. with this kind of movement. Okay, this is not the moment you want to buy Cadena. You missed out. Okay, this is the typical chart that you take a look at, and yes, you could consolidate here a little bit and continue the parabolic movement, but it's extremely dangerous, guys, to buy at these levels. Who knows? Cadena might go to $100. Who knows? I don't really know. But this is not the kind of chart that you wanna step in. Okay, not even when you are consolidating here, because usually when you go this parabolic, a lot of people take profits. A lot of people that have been buying Cadena around these ranges will be taking profits, and if they see price action to the downside, they are going to panic sell to their profits. So yeah, be careful with these kind of charts. Yeah, nothing to say about this really. Could you consolidate here, maybe creating a bull flag, and still continue to the upside? Especially with the crypto market sentiment, we should be still continuing in the next few months, to the upside. Infogram, thank you for joining here the live stream. Joseph, thank you very much for the support. Wesley, how are you doing? I can see Wesley is in the comment section. One of my best moderators here in the comment section. Thank you very much, Wesley, for joining and for the support. Right, I'm going through the comment section. What cryptos shall we take a look at? Elrond. Let's take a look at Elrond here for Thomas, guys. We have 522 watching at the moment. Before we continue with the stream, before we continue taking a look at these cryptos, guys, I need you to smash up the like button before we continue with the analysis today. Before we take a look at the cryptos that you're putting in the comment section, and I want to talk about two cryptos, okay? NFT and a crypto project that is out, and Bitcoinsensus is going to be part of this, and this is Casta, okay? Casta.io. Check out the website here for all of the information. This crypto project is not out yet. This is going to revolutionize the sending crypto instantly and also sending fiat, and the transactions in between crypto and fiat are going to be insane with this mobile app. So make sure to check out Casta.io, and you can check out here the company, about us, and put your email for any information coming out. Also, my first NFT that I'm going to get is this one right over here. Gal Yosef is the designer of the Crypto Bull Society NFT. Okay, he's the designer of these bulls, and yeah, this is going to be. I haven't got any NFT. I did not buy CryptoPunk or Ape or any other ones. All right, and I don't like them. I've checked them out, and I just don't like them. But this one right over here has got something, and the designer being Gal Yosef is already something. There's only going to be 7,777. If you check down below, you have the Discord, you also have the Twitter account, and they're giving a huge giveaway, so make sure to join this. Okay guys, just go down below. The link of the Twitter account of the Crypto Bull Society is there. You just need to follow the Crypto Bull NFT, retweet, and follow the Discord group, okay, where the link is also down below. There's only going to be 7,777, and I think this one is going to be huge. It's going to be one of those NFTs that does very, very well. I'm definitely going to buy one or two. If I can buy more, I will. We do not know the minting price just yet, but check it out, guys. Super bullish on this project, on this NFT, the Crypto Bull Society. Check them out, guys. All the info is down below. Now, let's take a look at some cryptos here. Khalid, thank you very much for the $5. Andy, can you please have a look at Polk? Is that Poker City or something like that? Let's take a look at Poker here straight away. Yeah, Poker City. This one's going to do pretty good in my opinion. It's all about the metaverse. It's already started, it did have a pretty decent pump when we had the metaverse, hype that was in late October, 29th or 30th of October, we saw that metaverse hype happening. Now, this one's a pretty low cap, okay, coin, 16 million. I did go quickly through this project, and it looks pretty impressive, and they are going to start, building quite a lot of stuff, and they have their own metaverse. I think this one's going to do very well. So with this market capitalization, even though we pumped from about 20 cents, okay, just only 2 weeks ago, to almost $2.50, or over $2.50. This one did a 10x in a week. Even though I think it's still pretty early for these kind of projects, okay. Poker City is in the metaverse, only 16 million. This could easily go to a couple of 100 million, at least, in my opinion. I've taken a look at the project. Take a look at it yourself, obviously, do your own research. This could do very, very well, especially with this market capitalization, 16 million, all right? So check it out. We can take a look at the chart. I'm not sure if they do have any data here on the chart, but thank you very much for the super chat. I think this project is great. Metaverse is going to be absolutely insane in the next coming years. This is one of those projects that you probably want to step in, especially with that market capitalization, right? You want to get into one of those that have a very low market cap. I've checked out the project, the team. This one might do very, very well. So if you want my opinion on this one, it looks pretty good. It looks pretty promising, especially with that market cap. Project team looks great. Definitely worth investing something, in my opinion, okay, obviously. Metaverse, if we go to the metaverse, scroll down, guys. It's always to scroll down on the sections here, and Poker City is at the very low bottom here with 16 million market cap. I think this one will be doing very, very good. So yeah, that's my opinion on that. Looking at the chart, not too much data. I think we're just having a massive consolidation. This is just going to get ready to start popping. Massive run up. Okay, you have a little bit of a correction there. Could we have come lower? Yes, we could. Yes, we could. Just looking at Fibonacci levels from the high here, we're already hitting that 50%, which is already a good buying zone. That 160 level, 127, extreme good buying opportunity from this low to the high inside of this consolidation. So we should be bottoming out at some moment, at some time here for this crypto, and continue to the upside, smashing all-time highs. Pretty simple. It's trending. It is a trending section, okay. The metaverse. It is going to be trending. It will continue trending. So I think this one's a good bet. Poker City is a good bet to potentially 10x from here, 15x. You do have a high chance if you manage to hold the volatility. Not financial advice, of course. Check out yourself the project, guys. You need to do your own research, but check them out here. Follow them on Twitter, on Instagram. On Twitter and Telegram. Ask a lot of questions. Check out the team. Do your own research, guys. But this one looks pretty promising. So yeah, thank you very much, Khaled, for the super chat. That's my take on Poker City. UFO to $1. Maybe yes, maybe not. Mana, please. I'll take a look at Mana here for AV9. Will UFO reach $1? I mean, this is the thing, like Shiba. Will Shiba reach 1 cent? I think not. I think not. Being realistic here with the market capitalization, it's already 615 million. Can this reach $1? Realistically, I would say no. Can it reach 1 cent? Maybe. But that's already going to take it to billions of dollars in market cap. So yeah, let's be realistic here, guys. Let's take a look at Mana for AV9 straight away. Well. What have we got here for Mana? 4 hourly chart. Zoom in. Consolidation. This one's looking bullish. Very, very bullish. So, yeah, volume. Yeah, this is the thing, guys. You want to start becoming pretty bullish. Now, if we do come down here or consolidate sideways and start breaking these highs, it's going to be time to start stepping in, because we are going to start printing. We've got lower lows. We're going to start printing a higher low right over here and a higher high in the immediate short term. As soon as this happens, we are targeting all-time highs. Now, could this roll down this? Yes, but it's very unlikely. when you go sideways like this for such a long time, and long time, you know, in crypto, a week can be a long time. It's very, very likely we might continue to the upside. One of the main reasons is the volume, the hype, massive volume, massive pump here. Consolidation sideways is the moment you want to start becoming bullish. If we take a look at the fib levels from the pump, I think we already touched at least the 50% levels. Yeah, 62 Fibonacci. We just touched the 62% levels, which is the $2.33. I must have said that this is already a good buying zone for Mana. Okay, so Mana, a good buying zone, $2.33, $2.83 range, a good buying zone. Now, could you dip down below this range, have a little bit of volatility below the 62% levels? Yes, of course. This will also be a great buy zone in my opinion. You're already having that sideways action, guys. There will be another hype on this. There will be another pumpy action. This is the moment where you want to become bullish. Quantum, bro. Qtum, December 1st halving. Let's take a look at this one. Can you look at IOTX, please? Yes, let's take a look at IOTX also. Qtum, let's take a look at Qtum. Straight away. Well, this is what I got for Qtum, okay? It seems like I didn't do analysis on Qtum. Is this quantum? No, it's not quantum, isn't it? Oh yeah, it is. It is quantum. It is quantum. So, yeah, I mean, just to keep it simple, guys, this is what I have on the chart. I haven't analyzed quantum for, it seems like for over a week now. Okay, and this is what I leave the charts however they are, okay, and I'm not always right, but when I'm right, we got to say it, and when I'm not right, I'll also say it, guys. You know, total transparency. I'm not selling you anything. I'm just giving you free information, free analysis, my opinion. So, you guys, make sure to smash up the like button because all of this is absolutely free. And I'm going to show you just with, you know, support levels, price action, resistance, some patterns, easy stuff, guys, here on technical analysis. Descending wedge breakout right over there. Okay, so that was pretty clear that went to the upside. We have a target. Okay, we do have a target. We do not know when that target's going to arrive. This is the magic of technical analysis. Don't rush. Don't rush. Even though you have this pump action, it's very unlikely you're going to go straight back up. Wait for consolidations. Be patient. Step in when you need to step in. That is, you know, the best thing for successful traders. Be patient. Be patient. Have targets, have take profits, and know when you need to put your stop loss at break even and start scaling up your stop loss. Now, no one got broke by taking profit, right? But being greedy and leaving your position open and then having a capitulation phase, then this is the moment where irresponsible trading. Now, anyway, enough talk about that. Fibonacci retracement from the lows, and this is what I had on the chart. From the low to the highs, you know, I did talk about, if I did have the fibs from low to high, very, very likely I must have said 62 and 50% levels, a good buying zone here for this crypto. We were consolidating at the 38% levels, which is already starting to be a good buy zone. Now, look what happened right over here. We just came and touched the 62% levels, came straight back up and smashed here the target that we have from the descending wedge. So that was a great trade right over here. Great trade. If you missed out on the breakout, wait for the consolidation at these fib levels, step in, and then you exit at the all-time high. We even smashed, not the all-time high, sorry, the high over here. So that was a great trade right over there. So we can take this out of the way. Already played out beautifully. What could happen now is the question. What could happen now? Keeping it pretty simple. Trend is pretty clear to the upside. I think there's a very high chance that we're just going to consolidate right at this range because we've broken the highs right there. We've broken here, went down, it's just going to be a consolidation right over here and start continue to the upside, in my opinion. Very, very likely. Very nice, healthy uptrend. Let's go to the daily. A lot of volatility on this one. Massive pumps and dumps, pumps and dumps. Be careful, guys. This is why when you go parabolic, be careful when you go parabolic. These are the moments that you want to become very, very bullish, when you have a nice, healthy uptrend, okay, for the last couple of months. And this is the moment where you could start going parabolic again. That's when you want to take excellent profits. But anyway, overall, looking very good. I think the highs here is very, very achievable in the coming weeks for Quantum when I see this kind of price action. The bears have finished their drop. It is time for the bulls to start stepping in. So yeah. Baby Moon Flocky, VThor, please. Please link, also chain link, super important. Right, let's take a look at which one shall I do first? Also Theta, we need to take a look at Theta. We're going to take a look at the chain link. Let's do Theta. Guys, make sure to subscribe to the channel if you're new here. I do daily TA, okay, daily videos, daily live stream, not daily live streams, actually, I'm lying there. I do about 3, 4, maybe 5 live streams a week. Daily updates, okay, so make sure to subscribe to the channel. Totally free information here on technical analysis. Theta, very bullish on Theta, looking super, super good. Theta short term, okay, yeah, okay, Theta short term. We know the long term, okay. We got targets here on this descending wedge breakout, starting to create higher lows, right? This is bullish, guys. We're going to start seeing Theta hitting the all-time highs in the coming weeks. Is it going to be 2 weeks? Is it going to be 6 weeks? That is the major question. But the overall direction here is looking very, very good for Theta. Short-term Theta. Let's take a look at the 1 hourly. It looks like it's losing a little bit of power. But I think this is just going to be a major consolidation around this range. We should be smashing these highs very, very soon on Theta, the $8, $8.50 range. It is a major resistance. Let me just go to the 4 hourly. We can't manage a lot of volatility at this range. We should be smashing, we should be getting above this range and hitting that $10 range, which is also a major consolidation area. We didn't manage to break here. Yeah, Theta looking good. Any type of dips here to that $7, $6 range. I'm not sure if that is going to happen, but it's going to be a great buying opportunity for Theta. This is looking at the short term. Healthy, strong, higher lows right over there. Very unlikely we're dipping below $6. That is going to already be a major support level. I just see us consolidating here for quite a while. This is what we are doing. We're just consolidating. We are very likely we're going to continue to the upside. Remember also here for Theta, we got a target from this very spiky descending wedge right there. So like I said, pump, consolidation. This is just going to consolidate. You might see a little bit of dippy action here, consolidation, but the overall target here on Theta is coming to that $9.50 range in the next coming days. Very, very likely. It might be a week actually. So expect a little bit of volatility on Theta. Remember, Theta is a very, very slow horse, okay? It just takes a lot of while. It pumps, it consolidates, it pumps, it dumps, it consolidates, it pumps, it dumps, it pumps, it dumps, it consolidates, it pumps. So just be patient on this one. But the overall, the longer you are consolidating like this, the more boring you pump and dump, pump and dump, pump and dump, the higher chance that this one is going to absolutely explode to all-time highs in the coming weeks. The more boring it gets, the more exciting it really gets, guys. This is how you when you take a look at the charts like this. Please don't forget LRC Andy. Okay, Fanny, I'll take a look at this one straight away. LRC, right, let's take a look at LRC. Is this Loop Ring? Loop Ring, I guess this one is. Yeah, guys. This one's gone absolutely crazy. I mean, just zooming in, because we want to take a look at the short term, because it's just absolutely smashed the all-time highs. So it gone a little bit parabolic. This one looks pretty good. I think it's just going to consolidate it, just to keep it simple, from the low, from the hype that happened by the end of October, right over there, to the highs, keeping it simple. Let's take the fib levels from the low to the highs, and we just about touched 50% levels, which was just above $1, almost hitting it. These levels are already good. Now, what other levels are good? Okay, I can already see it here. I can already see good levels by looking at the volume. This is where we currently bounced. And this is this candle over here with this major volume. This is why volume is so important, guys. When you have breakout trading and you come and bounce at a resistance, at a support, check out this volume right over there. This is this candle, okay? That candle with this amount of volume. When you have the price action going low in volume and hitting the top of a major candle with this amount of volume, check out the bounce that you get. It's absolutely insane. Now, if you do come back down to these levels with a little bit of volatility, it's still going to be a great buy zone. Ultimate low for this crypto, ultimate low, and I'm serious about this being ultimate low, is this range over here. Hang on a second. Let me just put this box here, and I'm going to turn it red for my next analysis, okay? Let's turn this very, very red, okay? And then we'll take a look at this chart again in the next coming days from the next live stream. Why is this the ultimate low? And this is the 77-cent range. It's very unlikely we're going to go down there. It's very unlikely we're going to have a 50% crash, right, from the current prices. The reason why is because this amount of volume, okay? And it doesn't matter what we can take a look at another, take a look at Coinbase. In Coinbase, it's the same volume, very high volume here from this candle, okay? On Coinbase exchange, it doesn't matter. I'm looking at calculated on TradingView. It doesn't matter. The volume is there. Insane bounce from this level. If you come back down to this range, it's a very good buying opportunity again already around that $1 area. I think there might be a chance. We just need to wait a few days here on this one, see how it consolidates. But very likely we're gonna hit the highs here very, very soon. We either come up from this level, or you might have a very good opportunity. And this is why being patient is excellent, because if you do dip down here, then this is going to be a great buying zone, okay? Great buying zone to come back up, consolidate, and retest the highs. That is the very likely price action to happen here on this crypto. If we take a look at the fib levels from the low to the high, and you could arguably discuss taking the fib levels from this sideways action, because there's been a consolidation right here. You could arguably discuss on the 4 hourly, the pump started from here. So from the lows here to the high, yeah, we almost already hit that 62% level. So just below $1 range is a great buy zone here. You got this candle with this huge amount of volume backing this major support, as you can see. So if you might be lucky and you will come below the $1 or that $1 range, that is going to be a great buying opportunity here for this one. And your exit strategy should be the all-time high, because you do not know if you're going to break it or you're going to create an all-time high. But overall, looking very, very bullish on the chart. DYDX, please. I am in a trade. I was really underwater on DYDX. Let's do analysis on DYDX, because I did see a double bottom happening right here on DYDX. DYDX USD on Binance over here. And guys, I'm not sure if you remember this. But I mean, it's insane sometimes. This is how I've been taking a look at the charts for over 4 years now, 5 years, I would say, different markets, crypto. And well, on DYDX, what I saw here is that we broke this major resistance. Okay, there was pretty strong support. We were getting some bounces at this range. Now, we broke it, And, you know, I was saying it's very likely we'll be getting rejection, but, you know, there is a possibility that we'll be getting rejection and creating a double bottom, guys. I'm not sure if you remember. You can, I mean, if you are an old subscriber, I was saying on DYDX that this might be bottoming out at some point right over here. Okay, when you see a dip like this with volume sometimes is a good indicator that the trend is finishing, guys. Did you know that? It doesn't mean always that you are going to continue. When the volume spikes at the very top of a massive uptrend or a massive downtrend, when the volume spikes at the lower part, it's a possible sign that that is the bottom. And analyzing DYDX, this is what I said here. You know, we got this spike over here. There is a high chance that you will be getting rejected at this resistance, but to create a double bottom. And this is what is happening right now on DYDX. I actually entered a trade here anticipating that this could happen, but it was a little bit late and I was a little bit underwater on DYDX. Now, is this a guarantee it's going to happen? Well, we are starting to see volume kicking in right now on DYDX. It's looking very, very nice for DYDX to start breaking that $18. Remember, back a few weeks ago, a lot of hype, actually over a month ago. Remember when we were seeing DYDX, there was a hype on DYDX. Everybody was talking about DYDX, you know, decentralized exchange, you know, what is this? They were adding it on Bybit to trade with. And then you started to see it going sideways and having a little bit of dumpy action. We were losing support here and we were starting to go to the downside. Now, everybody's forgot about DYDX right now because it was crashing. Now, this is the moment, guys, you want to step in when you see the volume on DYDX. I mean, I'm not going to tell you what to do, but when you have a spike on volume at the very end here, breaking resistance, breaking support, this is the moment then, we've lost this super important support. We are going to go to much lower levels. No, this is the moment where it's very, very likely you are going to bottom out. You are going to start creating a double bottom and you're going to tackle that support level again and break it and continue to the upside to the all-time highs. This is the moment you could become bullish. This is the moment you buy. You like it or not, guys. You're starting to see volume here. Look at this beautiful double bottom. I mean, there's nothing to say about this right now. I mean, could this consolidate and then get rejection and continue to the downside? Yes, it could. Of course it can. But overall, I know this one's a very insanely bullish project, a decentralized exchange on the Ethereum network. Very likely we'll be hitting highs here, all-time highs in the coming weeks. Very, very likely. I do see this one recovering here in the next few weeks, breaking this major resistance. I mean, this is my what I think. If we break this resistance, it is almost 80% chance that it is going to bounce as support, guys. Check how this has been a major level, and this level is the $18. This is exactly $18. If we break $18, hitting that $20, $21 range, and you come back down to this range, that is going to be a great buying zone, guys. Now, you might just consolidate sideways and continue to the downside, never come down to these levels. But if you do come down, it's just like here. That was a great short opportunity because you did break this major support range of $18. It drops, you pump, you get in and you get out here because you do not know if you are going to break this low. So you get out at a potential double bottom, and this is what exactly is happening right now. So what do I see this in the next what do I see happening in the next coming weeks? Is this being a double bottom right over there? Could you form a triple bottom? Yes. But overall, I see a consolidation finally breaking this resistance at $18 and measured move here from this double or triple bottom consolidation is coming back up to the $21. And if we do come to the $21, it's a major support level that will be turning into resistance. We might get some type of rejection here. Good time to take some profits. Good time to take some profits here because you might consolidate, come back down, and here you can buy back in because you're bouncing at a major support level. Overall, this one's looking very, very bullish. I am still in on trade, and I was in the red for quite a bit on this one. Not too much leverage. I'm just not too much leverage. I got a 3x. My liquidation price was at $11 on DYDX. I knew I was going to go in the red for a little bit. Now holding this trade, I'm planning to hold it at least to $21, take some profits there. Very unlikely I'm going to get hit on that liquidation price at $11, right? This is why, for swing trading, low leverage, 3x, 4x, 5x, 7x for swing trading, I think is even high. DYDX can be traded on Bybit, guys, so make sure to check out the bonus down below. You can trade with the bonus, just the bonus, which is $3,500, and or depending on what you deposit, okay? You're not going to get that bonus with a $100 deposit. Or depending on what you deposit, you need to follow the steps. You'll be getting that $3,500 worth of bonus here for Bybit. So this is my favorite swing trading platform. For day trading, I use PrimeXBT. I'm in a trade right now on US dollar, Japanese yen, okay? I'm doing a little bit of Forex analysis. Not too good at Forex, just a little bit of a dabble. But the good thing about PrimeXBT is you get 50% added to your deposit, which is absolutely insane. 50% added to your deposit for your margin trading. I got a tutorial down below on how to use PrimeXBT. I get a lot of people confused. Why can't you adjust the leverage? I don't understand it, the margin. I got a full tutorial down below, guys. Margin trading works differently as isolated trading, which you might be more familiar with from Bybit, Femex, okay, and these other leverage exchanges. Margin trading works differently. I've got a full tutorial down below with all the timestamps where I explain how this platform works. And you get 50% added to your deposit with my link and the information down below. So let's take a look. Overall, DYDX, extremely bullish. I see this double bottom playing out beautifully. Okay, we are at the bottom of a trend. We have volume that confirms that this can be the bottom. Okay, high volume at the very end of a trend. Double bottom. I mean, this is all bullish signs, guys. All bullish signs on this one. We are starting to see a massive amount of volume coming in right now. Is this, whales starting to get ready to have a pump? Look at this. Volume changing. The trend to the downside. Volume pretty flat. Starting to trend to the upside. Volume starting to come up. I mean, yeah. What can I say about this? DYDX, I think, is going to have an excellent move to the upside in the coming weeks. Andy, you are gold, says Ginny Andrew. Thank you very much. I'm just keeping it super simple, guys. Volume, patterns, trends, keeping it simple, guys. I see so many traders with a huge bunch of indicators, isolators, RSI, Ichimoku clouds and stuff like that. You need to keep your trading simple, guys. Keep the trading simple. Have targets. Be very strict on your targets. Protect your positions. Don't use too much leverage. This is a marathon, guys. This is not a sprint where you're going to get rich in 2 days or in a month. You get rich during the years of successful trading. XLM, please. IOTX. Okay, let's take a look at IOTX and XLM straight away, guys. But before, it's excellent here how I have 348 likes and 1 dislike, guys. This is absolutely insane. Not much YouTubers that get this amount of likes with no dislikes. Only 1 dislike. I would like to know who disliked my video. So anyway, make sure to smash up the like button, guys. 542 watching at this moment. If we can, guys, get to 500 likes, that would be absolutely insane for this Sunday live stream. Totally free information, and I'm trying to take a look at quite a lot of these cryptos that you're putting in the description. So very easy. Scroll down, smash up the like button. Let's crack on here with the stream. Now XLM, let's take a look at XLM. Because XLM, I see a lot of people wanting to take a look at XLM, Chainlink, IOTX. Okay, let's take a look. Enough talk. Let's get straight into the meat and potatoes, right? That's what we're here for. And enough talk. XLM, overall XLM, let's keep it simple, guys. Let's keep it simple. Huge volatility on XLM. Boom. A little bit parabolic, kind of a blow off top, massive crash. Capitulation, depression, overall looking very, very bullish. Now, what I saw here on XLM, this is on the daily chart. We got a resistance a clear resistance where we touched twice right over here in the last few weeks. And this is the 42-cent level. 42-cent level is a very important level for XLM. Let me just get this one right over here out of the way, because if we do break this major resistance, this most important one right now that we've got above us, it's going to have an explosive move to the upside. So any small resistance that we have above us after 42 cents won't be too relevant, because overall this consolidation, the longer you consolidate, the longer you are, and this is all the way back from June, okay, since we had the May crash. This has been over 5 months right now, almost 5 months or so in a consolidation period on sideways action. There's nothing bearish about this, guys. Nothing bearish. Whoever says that is bearish and we are going to go down, to much lower levels, I can already tell you by looking at this chart that the 20-cent level was the bottom for XLM, okay? XLM 20-cent level was the bottom. Likely, the chances of breaking this higher low support level and hitting this range, I'm going to say I'm going to be pretty confident on my answer, and it is close to zero. I'm going to say there is a 10% chance of us coming all the way back down here to the 20-cent level. Now, obviously, Black Swan event, energy crisis, guys. I do believe so that the next big cryptocurrency crash could be because of the energy crisis worldwide. If there is an energy, guys, we move all of these cryptos through energy. You like it or not, okay? So if there's an energy crisis, I think gold is going to go up. I think all these physical things are going to go up. So I do believe so that there will be an energy crisis in the near future, and cryptocurrencies are going to get hit massively. And this will be an opportunity to get back in. I'm not sure if it's going to be next year. I'm not sure if it's going to be in 5 years. But overall, guys, remember, if you are here in this stream, okay, and you're not going to see anyone trying to predict what crisis, trying to predict what bear market. But this is only my prediction, and I do not know when this is going to happen. But the next major cryptocurrency huge crash of 80-90%, including Bitcoin and other cryptos, is gonna be the energy crisis. That's what's gonna catalyze, gonna be the catalyst for this major crash that will be coming. I don't know, next year, 5 years, 10 years. I do not know when it's gonna be. And this is not creating FUD. This is being realistic, guys. We move our cryptos through energy, right? We need energy to move our cryptos. Whoever thinks that we do not is insane. Is not right. But till then, we still got some upside, guys. We can make some money. Make sure to have some dollars on the sidelines. Now, ascending triangle for XLM. Enough. I like to talk during the stream, guys. It's always important to talk, give you my opinion. We've got a nice projected move. Now, XLM could come easily to the 30-cent level still, okay? Have a little bit of volatility. We'll be retesting this. If that happens, I'm going to play some long swing trades here if we do dip down to that 30-cent level. Only because, and I've been not predicting, but I've been saying, guys, very unlikely after this wick, we are going to break this. We might consolidate and come to the downside still here. Major resistance, 42 cents. Major uptrend from these higher lows on XLM. We got a projected move. This is an ascending triangle. Consolidation for 5 months. The explosive here from the resistance is going to be insane. We're going to go to much higher levels. Projected move here is coming to that 65 cent range, okay? Now let me go. I think did I have a super chat? I don't want to miss any super chats, okay? Let me just go through the comment section quickly because I don't want to miss any super chat, guys. Salvatore, thank you very much for the €199. Can you please take a look, analyze Reef Finance? Absolutely. I think Reef Finance has had already a pretty decent pump. Oh no, it hasn't. It hasn't. This one's getting ready. I think that this one is just consolidating right at these levels. Expect refinance here to meet the highs over here of round about the 5.5 cent level. Okay. lot of volatility in between this major support. I love this chart because there's a huge consolidation in between the 5.5 cent and the 3 cent level, right? Around this level, lot of bounces between support and resistance. Now, nice round formation right over here. Higher low, this one's looking absolutely great. Higher lows right over here. I do see us consolidating here for a few more days, maybe a week or so. A little bit of volatility. This is just going to be a reaccumulation here for this crypto, in my opinion, for Reef. I know it's an excellent project, so I do see this one tackling the 5.5 cent. Very, very likely. Very, very likely, in my opinion. We're just sitting above the major resistance, turning it into support. Nice consolidation right over there. Below the this support, turning into resistance. We are currently signaling above. We're just going to consolidate here before we start making big moves to the upside by looking at this chart. Thank you, Salvatore, for the super chat. That's what I got for Reef. Looking pretty good. Just consolidation, volatility before we continue up is very, very likely here. Remember, the bear action has happened already. The bear action has happened. We are changing the trend to the upside. AG, Salvatore, sorry, I did not miss your super chat, but this is what I got for Reef. I know you super chat me twice. Okay, don't worry, I try to not miss any super chats. I do scroll up and down to check out the super chat, Salvatore. This is what I got for refinance. Consolidation, nice consolidation we'll be having right over here. We do have some pretty nice volume on the daily to back up this major resistance level that's turning into support beautifully right over here. Let's go to the 4 hourly on Reef. Yeah, this one's getting ready, Salvatore, to explode. Okay, so we're just getting nicely supported here from this consolidation right there. Could we see some volatility still? Yes, but overall direction, like I mentioned, is to the upside. Wow, 470 likes, 555 watching. If you haven't yet smashed up the like button, make sure to smash up the like button. Let's try and get to 500 likes, guys. That would be absolutely amazing. Totally free information here. Technical analysis every single day. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you're not yet. I've got a great community. Make sure to join the Telegram group. I'm going to do a Discord group very, very soon. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, guys. Discord group will be absolutely crazy. A lot of people asking, when are you going to do a Discord? When are you going to do a Discord? Will do, guys. We have an altcoin section. We'll be having Bitcoin section. We'll be having, altcoin project reviews. I've already got some ideas for a Discord, and it very likely is going to be totally free information, guys, for everyone. So make sure to subscribe. That is going to be the news for the end of November. Right, AJ Gallegos, Andy, first of all, thank you very much. Thank you for the $2 super chat. Please look at ALU. Yeah, straight away, let's take a look at ALU. What is ALU? ALU is Altura. I have no idea. This is on the Binance Smart Chain Altura NFT. Okay. Let's take a look at Altura NFT. Had a massive pump since mid-October. Had a massive run. This one did almost a 10x. Let's take a look at this one. I'll take a look at it. Where blockchain meets gaming. Okay, this one 176 million market cap. So it is a mid cap coin. You got all these backers over here. Pretty good, pretty nice. Introducing the future of NFT, smart NFTs. Right, I'll have to have a look at this project. Partners, Chainlink, NF Trade, sorry. Rune, okay, pretty cool. Partners, the team. It's something I will take a look at, and the roadmap, okay. Pretty clean website. Let's take a look at the chart on this one. We're not going to do a project review, but we can take a look at the chart if we have any data. Right, ALU hasn't got any data here. Sorry, there's no data here on on TradingView. Altura, there's only on PancakeSwap against wrapped BNB. Yeah, so we could not do analysis on the chart on this one, but you know, if it's in the NFT gaming space, I think yeah, wait for a consolidation, check out the team, check out the project, do your own research eventually. I would take a look at, I'm not too much of a fan of the Binance Smart Chain because of centralization, but guys, we need to go with the trend here, and the trend of the NFT and the metaverse space right now is huge. So I will be taking a look at this project. I think it does look pretty decent. The website is clean, but obviously yeah, do your own research, check out the Telegram group, ask a lot of questions, take a look at the team, their background, okay? They have their LinkedIn, their Twitter account, so check out the background, check out the team, and yeah, the roadmap, see if it looks pretty good. It doesn't look bad. If it's in the NFT gaming space, it should be doing all right if it's a legit project. Thank you for the super chat. Baby Moon Flocky. Let's take a look at Baby Moon Flocky. Oh my God. I bet this one has done a 20x at least. Up 93%, guys. Oh my God, this is absolutely insane. I mean, you can literally get rich with meme coins in just a matter of a few days. It's starting to pick up, this one. It's had a crash. It's gone sideways and it's starting to pump. Now, is this going to be a legit pump? I have no idea what this crypto does, what it is. It's on PancakeSwap, not listed on major exchanges yet. Baby Moon Flocky. I mean, welcome to Baby Moon Flocky. Right, I'm not going to go through the project. We're basically going to do technical analysis on yeah, just very basic, nothing too exciting here. But it's a meme coin. Meme coins can 20x in a couple of weeks. So do your own research on this one. We do not have any chart data on TradingView. So yeah, Band please, Brunex. Yes, I saw Band before. Let me take a look at Band straight away. Let's take a look at Band straight away here for my man. This is what I got on the chart for Band. This is what I got on the chart for Band. And you know what? You know what this it is, right? It is going up to the $18, $17, $18 in the next few weeks. Pretty clear resistance on Band here at the $11 area. A lot of resistance right over here, and this is on the daily chart. A lot of resistance back here in January. A lot of support here during February, March, even April right there. So we got below this level, insane resistance. Now, healthy uptrend here, consolidation. The depression, anger was already over here when we had the dip in May. We are picking up sideways, starting to create high lows. We break this resistance at $11 successfully, we are going to hit $17. And if we hit $17 because of this potential projected move of this kind of double bottom with ascending second bottom or ascending triangle if you wish, very likely if we go to these levels, we might consolidate, we might have a crash and then start continuing up. Okay, overall Band, I think it's the second, third, or it must be the third largest Oracle solution. They do have some partners. Obviously, no one can battle against Chainlink, right? Chainlink has got a huge amount of partnerships. Okay, it must be at least 90% more than Band. The trend is your friend, says Southstar. Yes, soul dumping. Let's take a look at Solana. Are they dumping? Solana is not dumping. It's just consolidating. I don't see any nothing dumpiness on this chart. Chili's, please. Yeah, Atari, please. Let's take a look at Chili's. Poke. All right, let's take a look at all of these cryptos. Chili's. Let's take a look at Chili's. I think Chili's did have an excellent run up. Yeah, basically what we got for Chili's here, right, is And guys, we can't get any clearer than this. Look at the pump that we've had. I think Chili's can still come back down and consolidate. Look how we broke from this high on Chili's. This was the 43 cent level right there. 43 cent level. We pumped. We consolidated at this range, and this is the resistance turning into support, and also the 62% levels from the low to the high. Now, could we come to lower levels? Could we consolidate still here for Chili's? Yeah, but this is the 42 cent range is a major buy zone. If we pumped all the way up here in 1 day, 2 days, all the way up here, obviously massive correction, consolidation, guys. Consolidation is good. This is a great buying zone. If it's 42 cent range, even better. Plus minus a few cents because of the volatility. Overall direction after a consolidation from a massive pump, overall direction is continuation, is continue to the upside. Volume looking absolutely great. We are starting to see a little bit of selling pressure, but this is nothing compared to the massive volume that we have from the spike. Overall, I think 42 cent is major buy zone for Chili's, plus minus a couple of cent consolidation around that range before we continue to the upside. Wow, 463 likes, guys, absolutely amazing. Make sure to smash up like button. Almost 500. We are going to get this stream to 500 likes. I am sure we are. XRP mooning. Let's take a look at XRP. I got someone in the comment section saying that XRP is mooning. Okay, not yet, but we're having a little bit of pumpy action here for the last few hours. Overall direction, like I said, I hate XRP for charting, but we have a clear target, which is the $1.35. We should be hitting that level and smashing it very soon now, guys. XRP being super boring on consolidations. Not mooning, but overall direction, I think $1.35 is going to be hit very soon for XRP. Let's take a look at Chainlink straight away. Extremely bullish on Chainlink. Most of my, well, not most, but 30% of my portfolio is Chainlink. Very bullish on Chainlink. I do see Chainlink trading at $120 in the next few months, guys. Very exciting times. That is only a 3x, 4x from here. It's not too much, but anyway, I hold a huge bunch of Chainlink. Very bullish on this one. Now, Chainlink. This is what I got. Exciting times for Chainlink. This is the 4-hourly chart. We have a very big resistance at $35, $36 on Chainlink. Very strong resistance, as you can see on the chart, creating nicely higher lows here on the chart. As you can see, this is an ascending kind of triangle pattern. Now, if we do break out of the resistance here at $36, successful breakout, $38, $39, $40, then this is going to be looking very good. Any consolidation will be a good buying opportunity for Chainlink because the projected move is coming all the way up here to almost the $60. Definitely all-time highs would be a good target to start taking some profits because you could see some volatility before breaking the all-time highs here on Chainlink. Overall here for Chainlink looking very bullish, guys. Very bullish on Chainlink. This is the 4-hourly chart. Check out this nice higher lows. Immediate short term, we didn't hit the target yet of $36 here. Okay, $36 is the target. It's just taking quite a bit of a while here to come to hit this resistance. Looking very bullish, guys. Looking very good. I love this chart. This chart looks great. We're gonna start seeing these cryptos, DeFi section absolutely exploding. Amsterdam, thank you very much for the €1.99. Very much appreciated. Atom, please, says Swagata. I'm going to take a look at Atom straight away for you. What's happening with Bitcoin? Is it dumping? Is it pumping? 62k levels, holding around that area. Very bullish on Bitcoin, guys. I know quite a lot of people, I think, and I really like this. I really like to see a lot of people saying, you know, we should be coming down to 54k levels, 53, last shakeout before we pump. And when I see so many people talking about the, the last dump here happening, a lot of people are expecting Bitcoin to dump. Guys, this might be the consolidation that we are having before, the longer we are sitting at these ranges, the higher the chance is that we are going to go to the upside, guys. This is a consolidation right over there. Usually, and I could be wrong this time. I've been wrong a lot of times before, and usually when you consolidate like this from a massive uptrend, you don't consolidate and then you dump. It is very, very unlikely. It's very unlikely. But it could happen. You just need a couple of whales to have a massive sell-off, and then the technicals there are not, are worthless. The technicals are worthless if that happens. Right, let's take a look at Atom straight away here. I got someone here in the comment section. Atom. Atom straight away. Right. Atom. I'm not looking too great here. Just okay. It's not a double top. It's not a double top, this one. I've got these. It's not a double top, but as you can see here on Atom, this all-time high, okay, this is why this big box here is a major level, which is the $31, $32 range. That was a great buying opportunity. We might come lower and hit it again. Yes, we might consolidate, but if that happens, it's going to be another great buy zone. I think all-time high should be hit here for Atom in the next few weeks. We almost hit it there, almost, but we did not. Let me just get this out of the way because this broke the resistance, okay, and the overall target from this kind of descending triangle. If you break the resistance, the overall target is round about that. And the top of the triangle. So let me just take this out of the way because we might be forming a kind of another pattern right over here if I do connect these higher lows. Something we're going to pay attention on Atom here for the next few days. We might be forming a symmetrical triangle because we are creating higher lows right there, and we're also creating lower highs, sorry. So we might, getting close to that $32 range is going to be a great buy zone. I do see us getting a massive bounce from this support level. So overall, if we do come down to $32, currently trading at 36, it's going to be looking very good, guys. You want to buy at the lowest level. We do have insane support at $30, as you can see. So if we do have another retest here, it's going to be a great buy zone, in my opinion. Guys, Atom can be traded on Bybit, okay? So if you're interested in trading, Bybit has got a bunch of cryptos. A lot of them are large cap coins, which is great because they're not that volatile. They are volatile, but they have a bunch of cryptos. And with my link down below, you get the best bonus available. It is $3,500 worth of bonus. Okay, so make sure to check out that on Bybit. For PrimeXBT day trading, it's my favorite day trading platform. Okay, I'm not doing any day trading right over here. I have a small position open on Forex, but I usually trade here between Monday and Friday. It's my favorite day trading platform. You get over 50 different assets, okay, to trade with using Bitcoin and Ethereum as collateral, also USDT if you wish. So you can trade Forex, oil, gold by using Bitcoin, and you get 50% added to your deposit, guys. I have full tutorial down below for experienced traders. If you're not experienced, make sure to practice a lot, guys. Be careful, use risk management, learn how to trade. If you do not know, don't trade, okay, just by looking at YouTube videos if you do not have any experience by charting and doing analysis and trading, okay? Please. 500 likes reached. Yes, absolutely amazing. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much for the insane support. And only 2 dislikes, guys. Wow, amazing. Really, really appreciate it. BTC Bollinger Bands look like we'll squeeze soon. Nice. I do not use Bollinger Bands, but I know that if you go to the very end and you just inside and it does a squeeze, it's looking for a pop. Wesley, thank you very much for the support. TLM, Andy, please. Let's take a look at TLM. Alien World, I think this one is. TLM looking great. Last analysis that we did on TLM, guys, pretty simple, keeping it super simple. We had this descending wedge right over here. We have these higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. We got a target here, which is around about that 40 cent level. We're just gonna, just consolidate around this range. Maybe a little bit of dumpy action. Any dumpy action here is a great buy zone, because the overall direction from these higher lows is coming to this target over this descending wedge. TLM looking pretty bullish. Guys, two major projects you want to step in. Castor.io is going to revolutionize the payment system. Super fast, instant payments in between, cryptocurrencies and fiat money. Castor.io, Bitcoinsensus is going to be part of this crypto project. Make sure to put your email here. You'll be one of the first investors here on Castor. Also, another great one is the NFT world, guys. This NFT has been designed by Gal Yosef, all right? If you take a look at Gal Yosef's work on Google, it's absolutely crazy. These NFTs are going to come out by the end of November. All the info here for this NFT project is down below. You get a huge giveaway also if you follow the steps down below, the Twitter account and also the Discord, okay? This one's coming out by the end of November. This is going to be my first NFT project that I'm going to invest in, because I don't like the other ones. I've gone through OpenSea and there's a load of crap in my opinion. This one's from Gal Yosef. He's a really famous designer, and you need to take a look at this crypto project, Crypto Bull Society. Links are down below to follow them and get in the queue, try and get into the whitelist, right? Because there's only going to be 7,777 bulls. Love your channel, Andy. Dima, thank you very much. VRA and BNB. Okay, let's take a look at VRA. VRA looking pretty bullish overall. Veracity, okay. Veracity. This one's looking very, very bullish. I mean, just breaking highs here. Check out here how you break the highs, you turn them into very nice support. Now we didn't reach the highs here, but basically you got this resistance, you break them, you turn them into support. Great buying zone. Boom, boom, you're in, you're out. What is happening right now? If we take a look at the volume, a lot of volume here, a lot of volatility. Not looking too great. Okay, it might be just a large consolidation. It might be a large consolidation, but this one's been pumping pretty nicely. I'm expecting this resistance to hold nicely as support. We didn't even technically touch it, but I think it is likely. I'm not too sure on this one. I'm not too sure. This one might lose this support level, especially after pumping that much, and especially because of you're creating these highs. Okay. The more times you attempt like this kind of price action, I don't know. I'm not too sure on this one. Not too sure on this one. I would leave it to rest, especially when you have a massive pump here in the middle with a huge amount of volume. You want to see the pump breaking the highs very, very nicely with this amount of volume. Not like this and coming back in the consolidation. Not too sure. Overall, I think I've heard about this project. Super bullish. So yeah, let me just go through the comment section. VThor, let's take a look at VThor. VThor Tetherus right over here. Nothing to analyze here. VThor is the one that powers the VeChain network, and you create VeChain just by holding VeChain. There's nothing much to analyze. I mean, if VeChain pumps, this one usually lags behind. This one should be pumping very nicely, very, very soon. VThor. Nothing much to analyze here. Nice, healthy, higher lows. If VeChain is doing well, VThor will be doing well also. So, yeah, I do believe so that VThor will be retesting this major level very soon, because it's been very volatile as support there, a lot of resistance. So we are getting supported very nicely. Consolidation. This is very, very likely to come retest and get some rejection at that 1.6 cent level. So yeah. With this week volume, 62.7, 63 rejection, very possible. Yes, on Bitcoin, maybe it is the weekend. So yeah, guys, make sure to check out Bitcoinsensus website. I'm going to finish right now, okay? Make sure to smash up the like button on your way out. Check out Bitcoinsensus website, okay? Down below, the links in the description. All the links in the description for Bybit, for Prime XBT. You get insane bonuses. You got free information on the Bitcoinsensus website, trading ideas, technical analysis, the latest news. Also here on the website, totally free. Check out our Twitter, join the Telegram group. All our socials are down below, guys. Thank you, and I will see you in the next one. Hasta pronto.